Students, today I am going to solve the Jan Stat 2022. We'll start from question number 9 today. x1, x2, xn be a random sample from exponential distribution, and which of the following is not true if x bar equal to this? Okay, so e of x bar is this, so e of x bar square if you have to calculate, so var of x bar minus e of x bar square. Okay, that is sigma theta square by n theta square. Variance of x bar if we calculate, so that is also theta square by n. Okay, so comparing these two, we can say that sigma x bar square is uniformly minimum variance of theta square. So this is not following because this is uniformly minimum variance of theta. This is okay. This is true. And n by n plus 1 x bar square uniform, this is also true, and the variance values directly we can calculate here, so this is also true. So the only thing which is false is this, so this is our correct answer, so B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 10, x1, x2, xn be a random sample of n mu sigma square. This is directly, then which of the following is the null hypothesis? So h mu n greater than equal to 3. So sigma square is also with 3, so sigma square possibility. So mu is also equal to n plus 2 random variable n of sigma square x n. So this is 3, so 5. So the answer to 10 is C. Now let's go to question number 11. By n plus 2, so this direct value, so limit n tends to infinity. 6n by n plus 2 can take n common, 1 by n summation of 2 plus k by n whole square. We can write where 1 equal to 1 to n minus 1. So limit n tends to infinity, 6n by n into 1 plus 2 by n, 0 to 1, 2 plus x whole square dx. So this is 6, 2 plus x whole cube by 3, 0 to 1, so 2, 27 minus 8, 19 into 2, so 38. So answer to the question of 11 is A, that is 38. Now let's go to 12. F of r square of r is a finite, is a function defined by f of x, y. So which of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is not true? So if it's continuous, partial derivative is not differentiable. Okay. So for this thing directly we can do it. So let's take the continuity and differentiability. So limit x of y, so it's x square sine. So f of x comma y is continuous at 0 comma 0 we are getting, so this is continuous, this is true. Okay, and del f del x is x square cos of 1 by x minus 1 by x square 2x sine of 1 by x. So del f del y minus y square sine y 2y cos y. So del f del y is continuous at 0 comma 0. Okay, so not continuous as these two values are not same, so not differentiable. So this is this is also coming this is coming continuous, so this is also differentiable. So continuous plus differentiable, so this is the wrong part, these are 3 correct, so this is the answer D. This is actually differentiable. Next question. 13, f of 2 is a function defined by ft. This thing, the arc length of the graph f over the interval 1 comma 2. Okay, so the arc length formula is 1 to 2 root over of 1 plus f dash t square dt. Okay, so ft equal to f of t equal to 1 by t x square e to the power x square minus 1 dx 1 to t gx dx so dash t d dt 1 to t gx dx so gt equal to t square e to the power t square minus 1. So for the arc length 1 by 2 1 plus t square is t square minus 1 dt and that dt, so let t square by t equal to u, so half to 2 e to the power u, so e to the power 2 minus e to the power half, so this is e square minus root. So the answer is